Kumusta po kayong lahat? Si Jay Torres po ito ng Would You Like to Make? Today, I'm excited to share with you ang isa sa mga paborito kong tools, ang Bosch Precision Set. Whether you're a professional or just someone na mahilig mag-DIY project sa bahay, this little kit packs a punch for all your DIYs and repair needs. Desktop computer man o laptop, watches, eyeglasses, at kahit na mga household electronics, this 42-piece set can handle it all. Let me show you kung gaano ka-useful o versatile ang kit na ito. Working on your laptop or desktop PC, the Precision Set makes it easy to repair hinges, hard drives, and other delicate components. It's also perfect for tightening loose screws on your eyeglasses. Need to fix or replace a battery on your watch? This set has just the right tool for that too. For delicate tasks like working on circuit boards or electronic components, precision is everything. With the Bosch Precision Set, you get the perfect bit for even the tiniest screws, ensuring a secure fit and smooth operation. See how easy that was? The grip and control of these bits make all the difference when you're dealing with small, sensitive parts. From electronics to household appliances, the Bosch Precision Set is versatile enough for all kinds of home repairs. So, isa ka mang pro o kailangan mo lang ng reliable na toolset para sa mga pang-araw-araw na bubuting-tingin sa bahay, the Bosch Precision Set has got you covered. Huwag ka na magpakahirap sa paghanap ng tamang tool. Grab yours today and make DIY repairs a breeze.